Hello students, hope all are doing well. So today we are going to discuss a very important topic, that is about environmental education, right? What is the need of environmental education? Because nowadays every school, every college, everyone is talking about environment, and at the same moment the education about environment, that is how the talk about the environment is getting very important, right? So you all know that there are um, different type of factors, different type of problems around you. You might have seen the scenes like this where the smoke is coming out of the factories, and not only factories, sometimes from homes, sometimes from the open spaces, and cutting down of trees, that is felling of trees for our own purposes. And you'd all know that how important the trees are, right? But we cut down the trees for our own purposes, right? And because of global warming, at many places, the snow is going to melt. The ice is going to melt, and in those conditions, how the animals which are living in those particular zones, how they will survive. Okay, so not only these, but we have number of environmental hazards around us, right? And these environmental hazards are posed because of the very speedy, the very rapid development around us. Development means the urbanization, the towers, the flats coming up, the highways are going, these are under construction, and the industrialization, new and new industries are coming, coming up. So these developments are at the alarming levels. And because of this development, actually, the environment is getting polluted. The natural resources in the environment, they are getting depleted at a very fast speed. And because of that, our environment around us is getting deteriorated, right? But now, what can be done? The solution can be done only when the people are aware about the problems of the environment, about the causes, about our own responsibilities. Because we think that environment is responsibility of someone else, but we need to understand that it is our environment and we are to save this environment, right? So in that case, this is only the education which can do our purpose. So this is supposed to be the best tool when we want to talk to others, to develop a positive attitude for environment and to have some fruitful action to save the environment. Then education is our save. So when we talk to students in schools, in colleges about environment, about saving the environment, that is environmental education, because it helps in shaping up the values of the students. The students in the schools and colleges are at a very tender age, and if we at that time we talk to them about environment, it will affect them in very right way. Means we can say this is the right way how to address the problem at the grassroots level. Okay, so if we give the right knowledge to the students, it will develop a very good understanding in them what is environment, how it's getting polluted, and how it can damage us, right? So we should talk to students about this. And one more need is that if we want to save our country's natural resources, so that means that we have to talk about this. We have to educate students about this so that our resources may not go into the irreparable damage. Moreover, the more energetic people are the young people, right? So the youngsters, if they are aware, if they have the good understanding, then they will be able to take positive, something to do something positive, to take something, a good action to save the environment. So these type, what the need of environmental education actually, its motive is, its need is that there should be a change in the attitude of people. As I have talked earlier, that we think that environment is responsibility of someone else, right? But we are to change our environment. And this education, environmental education, can help to change the attitude of people uh, towards the environment. Okay. And this way, we can help other people and ourselves also to save ourselves and to save the people from the pollution, right? This can help the people to have a overall change in the concept that we and the environment are directly related. Okay, and it's we who are actually polluting the environment, who are actually depleting the natural resources. So the education, environmental education, will alert the people, alert the public, and will give them a concept about global sustainable development, right? So the environmental education is much needed to know that how the things have happened, how we can do something positive to the environment, and what type of skills are required, and how these skills can be learned. So these are the young people, our children, who should realize that what is the problem, and we are the part of the problem, and because we are responsible for this problem, so it's we who will solve the problem, right? So environmental education helps to develop a responsible environmental behavior in the students, right? Not only students, rather in all of us, right? So now I think all the students have understood how important it is to learn about environment and to have environmental education. Okay, thank you very much.